Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October 5th on a Thursday, and little bounce yesterday in the SPY at the close there, but I'm still watching this looming 200-day moving average below it, and also that 420 level. It's obviously not etched in stone that we'll make it there. There's a good chance that we won't, but I'm always on the lookout for maybe a drive down, at the open or something to hit that mark. These charts usually have a way of fulfilling their destiny. And it's a good time, if you are anticipating a possible bounce, have your eye on some things. So let's look at some stocks that are holding up well. Diving right in here, PRDO. This is a nice setup. It has been for a while, a couple of months now. I believe this was earnings back over here, and it's been just a nice little shape holding its moving averages over the last several weeks. Look for a break above that 1773 level. Just put your price alert in there. Flex is another one on my list. Now, J-Bill had a great earnings the other day, and that one has been storming. You can see the move that Flex had. But I like the way it's pulled back and above all its moving averages now. So, I maybe one that you can buy through yesterday's high, or maybe wait for that 27 level. That's subjective. Another one is this, let's see, CCRN. Nice formation here in that chart, trying to get back above its 200-day moving average, close slightly above it there. So maybe just look for a break above a several week high there in CCRN. China play, if those who don't mind playing China, this EDU has been up around all-time highs and above all its major moving averages. But that's one to keep on your list. There's several others out there that our subscribers have access to, but that's it for me. Keep it tight. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.